How are you going to improve local SEO for your small business when you don't know how local SEO works? Don't worry, that's what I'm here to teach you. Quick and easy in just a couple of seconds, teach you about local SEO, how it works for your business, and be sure to stick around till the end because I'm going to put it all in context so you can maximize your results. Let's get started. All right, local businesses need to be found online. This is where local SEO comes into play. Local SEO helps your business show up in Google when people who are looking for something nearby, right, to purchase a product or a service or go to a restaurant, anything related to a small business or a need that that customer has. It's when they're looking to purchase that nearby. How do you make sure that your nearby business comes up? Let's break down how this works. Google uses three main factors to deliver business results. These factors are relevance, distance, and prominence. Don't worry, I'm going to explain exactly what that means. First up, relevance. All it means, how relevant is your business to whatever that person was searching for, right? So how well your business profile matches to the search term. So if someone looks for bookstore, Google's going to show businesses related to books, right? How you fill out your Google business profile on your website is going to tell Google about whether or not your business is relevant for that search. That's step one. Step two, this one's the easiest one to understand, distance. It just considers how close a business is to the searcher. So the closer you are, the more likely you are to show up in the search results. But remember, this is a balance between these three factors, right? If you are really high in all of them, you have the best chance to come up. But if you're really close, but you have low relevance and low prominence, which we'll talk about next, then somebody else might come up there. So that brings us to point number three, prominence. This just means how well known is your business. This is based on the information that Google has about your business from across the web. The things that help with prominence are links from other people to your business, maybe articles in the local newspaper, things like that, that mention and link to your business website. It's the number of volume of reviews and number of star rating you have, 4-star or 5-star. It's about how consistently you get reviews for your business. All of those things impact how well known Google thinks your business is. That's why it's so important to build up your website, to get backlinks by, getting links from other partner businesses or from the newspaper, things like that, to get lots of reviews and keep getting reviews. All of those things tell Google that you have a prominent local business, right? So those are our three factors: how prominent you are, how relevant you are, and then last, how far away you are from where that nearby search is. There are two types of search results for local searches. The local pack, which is that 3-pack that you see there with the maps listings, right? And you see the local businesses, you can even see the snippets of their reviews and things. The local pack displays on the top and includes a map and a list of businesses with their information. This feature is highly visible and useful for users searching for quick options. If you haven't checked out my other videos, please subscribe to this channel and learn more about how to optimize your Google business profile so you can show up in that pack and look really good when you do. Now, below the pack results are the organic search results. These are the standard search listings that include local businesses relevant to the terms. That's where your website comes in. So the local pack is going to be your Google business profile. The listings below it, that's website listings. So that's why you got to optimize your Google business profile and optimize your website. Now, promise you some hints at the end. So let's just think about an example. So if you have a search for a nutritionist in Miami, it will likely show a pack of the Google business profiles that have been really well optimized, talking about their nutritionist business or services in Miami, right? Lots of photos, lots of posts, business description, lots of reviews that mention this type of thing. And then even if a search term doesn't include the location, Google may still provide local search pack results just because it's looking at the searcher's location, the type of thing they're searching for, and saying, well, if they're looking for a nutritionist, maybe they want a nutritionist near them, right? Maybe they don't want just an online service. So let's still show that pack of results. That's why the Google business profile optimization is so important. Now let's think about, for instance, barbershops too, right? If somebody searches for barbershops in Los Angeles, it's definitely going to prompt Google to show a local pack result for those barbershops in that area. Again, why Google business profile optimization is so important. For both of those, you'll have website links down below it. So don't ignore your website But think about what's going to pop up first there. It's that Google business profile, and then make sure you're linked to your website and that your website is optimized too in case that person keeps scrolling. So understanding local SEO, it's crucial for any local business looking to increase its visibility online. For more insights into how to optimize your business for local search, please subscribe to our channel or consider it. I'd very much appreciate it. Hit that like button. If you do need help with your Google business profile, hit the link down in the description below. I own a company that helps small businesses with Google business profile management. We'd always be pleased to offer you a consultation. So thanks so much. I'll catch you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing your business. We talk about AI tools and Google business profile, local SEO optimization all the time. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video.